Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, Northeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Acme to near Indian Lake, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cottonport, Bordelonville, Bayou Current, Monshire, Goudeau, Bunkie, Hamburg, Lake Ophelia National Wildlife Refuge, Indian Lake, Morrowville, St. Landry, Whiteville, Big Cane, Melville, DuPont, Morrow, Palmetto, Simisport, Big Bend, and Krotz Springs. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for central Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for East Central Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Southwestern Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, Northeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Indian Lake, or near Bunkie, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Big Cane, Whiteville, Goudeau, and Morrow around 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Libo around 5:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Palmetto around 5:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bayou Current and Melville around 5:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include St. Landry. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 31 and 49. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.